fully automatic top-load washing machine. Affordable with great wash quality, easy to use. Capacity 7 kilograms. Suitable for families with 3 to 4 members. Warranty, 2 years on product, 2 years on motor. 740 RPM, higher the spin speed, faster the drying time. Special features, 6 cents 1st February 2003 technology, hard water wash, 30% better wash even in hard water conditions. Special features, power scrub technology. The unique agipeller design provides 3 surfaces to scrub your clothes to give you whitest whites in any condition. Easy 1st February 2003 operation. Now it is easy for anyone to do laundry. Whirlpool's unique 1st February 2003 panel is the easiest to use. All you need to do is press 3 buttons, and the machine's intelligence will take over to deliver the perfect wash. Spa drum. The unique spa drum contains 50% lesser perforated holes than an ordinary wash drum, giving a gentle massage to your clothes. Due to decreased abrasion, it greatly reduces the amount of lint generated during wash.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.
JP Store channel, click bell button. Subscribe 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 JP Store channel, click bell.